Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be talking about fun facts about Germany. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the topic for today. To everyone else, it is called Germany, but to the Germans themselves, it is called Deutschland. A male person from Germany is called Deutscher, while a female from Germany is Deutsche. The population of Germany is estimated at 84,700,000, which makes it the third largest in Europe. Its capital is situated in Berlin, which has a population of over 3.5 million. Germany has an area of over 357,000 kilometers square, and this makes it the seventh largest country in Europe. One third of Germany is covered in forests and woodlands. On the 3rd of October every year, Germany celebrates the fall of the Berlin Wall and the reunification of the East and West Germany. The currency is the euro banknotes and coins since the 1st of January 2002, which marks the end of the Deutsche Mark as the legal tender. Germany is home to around 15.3 million immigrants, and the highest population is found in the Turkish, the Polish, and the Italians. Another interesting fact for the lovers of alcohol is that around 1,500 different types of beer is produced in Germany. In a state called Bavaria, beer is considered a food. Furthermore, Germany is home to the biggest beer festival in the entire world. It is called Oktoberfest and it takes place in Munich. The next one is interesting. There are over 300 types of bread and over 1,000 types of sausages in Germany. Think about that, guys. Some interesting facts about the German language. It is the third most popular language that is taught in the world. The German language, which the Germans themselves call Deutsch, is the most common native language in Europe, and it is the 11th most widely spoken language in the entire world. We have around 35 different dialects of the German language. It shares 60% of its vocabulary with English, and lastly, it is spoken as an official language in Austria, in Liechtenstein, in some parts of Switzerland and Luxembourg. There is no way you're gonna talk about Germany without talking about football, because Germans love football. We don't need the helmet. Alright, you win. Germans love soccer. And the popular football clubs, soccer clubs in Germany are Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund, and Bayer Leverkusen. In Germany, you will find architecture which speaks of its time and place but yearns for timelessness. At the same time, Germany is a land of castles. The largest train station in Europe is in Berlin. The highest point in Germany is the Zugspitze, and it is about 2,962 meters high. It is a mountain. And the lowest point is in Schleswig-Holstein, and it is called the Neuendorf Sachsenbande, and it is about 11.6 feet, below sea level. Now to some random but interesting facts. The longest street in Germany is the Hauptstrasse in Heidelberg. It has a length of 1.8 kilometers. It is a pedestrian. The narrowest street in Germany is the same time the narrowest street in the entire world according to Guinness Book of Records, and it is found in Reutlingen in Spreuer Hofstrasse 57. The tallest bridge for vehicles is the Wuppertal Brücke, and it has a height of 178 meters. At the same time, the highest train bridge in Germany is found somewhere in Solingen, and it is called München Bridge. It has a height of 107 meters. The fastest man and woman over 100 meters in Germany are Owen Ansa and Gina Luckenkemper. Germany sells over 6 million cars a year, making it the highest producer of cars in the world. And over 65% of the German highways have no speed limit, and they are called Autobahn. I believe they do this so that the quality of their cars can be tested. For the readers, the first book ever printed was in German, and the first magazine was launched in Germany in 1663. Germans have a great reading culture. Around 100,000 titles are published every year. Lovers of animals. Germany has more zoos than any other country in the entire world. There are over 400 zoos in Germany alone. Who doesn't like to travel? Or who doesn't like vacation? Germans love to travel and spend more on their holidays than any other nation. Punctuality, they say, is the soul of business, and Germans are very punctual people. They keep to time always. Another point worth mentioning is that Germans are law abiding people. They keep to rules. From frowning to jaywalking to separation of their waste for recycling, Germans are one of the best. And last but not the least, these are some German inventions.